This is the Air 65.
Oh yeah, baby.
And this is the Air 75. Until today, after more than a year, I am still saying super good things about these two tiny little guys. Yes, I did crash a lot, but this is FPV. And in FPV, we crash, we rebuild, we fly, and then we crash again.
Ouch. Whoops. 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit, 4 hit. Finish him.
Even after so many crashes, I continue to repair them. Why? Because it's just so damn amazing. And the best thing is, BetaFPV continue to improvise their already top-selling product. And this is what we are going to be talking about. The all-new Air 2 frame. Alright, we are going to use the 65mm frame here to do the comparison between the old one and the new Air 2 frame. But before I move on, there's one more thing to show you guys how late I am with this review, because BetaFPV has just launched their Air 2 Canopy. Now, I haven't got the Air 2 Canopy at the time of this review yet, so I'm not going to be able to show it to you guys. But from the looks of it, it seems that they have done a lot of improvement as well. So yes, I will be waiting for it, and then I will update you guys on the Air 2 Canopy as well. So let's dive right to the comparison right now. First look, the most noticeable difference is now we have two tails instead of just one. This is the front. No, this is the back. Huh? You tell me, where is your tail? Sorry, I just got to do this. The tail. Let's get back to the frame. Next, we see there's a reduce of the duct braces from the 6 on the old and 4 on the new. Now, I thought that while reducing the weight of the frame, they are sacrificing the rigidity, but nope, it was still very solid. Now, let's move to the back of the frame. If you look at the old frame, the bottom is all flattened out, but on the new Air 2 frame, there are these tiny little legs that is protruded out. This is actually very thoughtful of BetaFPV, as it helps to protect the screw every time we land the quad, especially for anyone whom are using the peak screw, as we all know how fragile are those. As for the side, if you put the old and the new Air 2 frame side by side, you will notice the Air 2 duct has a lower profile. Apart from that, you can also see there's a curve on the new Air 2 ducts that will help greatly on the aerodynamics of the whoop, giving it more thrust. On the weight difference, we have 2.69 gram on the old 65mm frame. As for the new Air 2, we have 2.58 grams. Whereas the 75mm frame, we have 4.41 on the old frame, and the Air 2 comes in at 3.99 grams, which is close to what BetaFPV has stated on their website, 4 grams. So yep, only a very minor difference when it comes to the weight, but every single grams matters on little whoops like this, right? Anyhow, before we head out to fly, one more thing that I really love about the new frame is because of these 4 braces right now, makes it so much easier and less painful while we are removing the props, because right now, my fingers can fit in nicely into the hole. Let's just head out to fly before I continue further with all these shits. Good morning, my buddies! It's the next day, and as usual, we are heading to 2 spots to test out the new airframe. One is at a safer location. If we crash, nothing's gonna happen to the quad. The second one is a little bit high risk, I will say, because there might be security, and also if we crash the whoop, it might break. So anyway, let's go! Woo! Shit! Bad omen. We are never afraid of bad omen. The safe place that I'm mentioning is here. Gonna try my best not to crash because everything is so wet. That is why I'm wearing this, you see. By the way guys, BetaFPV is having their Black Friday sales. So if you're thinking to purchase anything, the time is now. Alright, we're gonna go with Air 65 first. Just show you guys how well this thing flies now. Woohoo! He's happy! He is so happy! Warming up the fingers! Woohoo! Hui! Perfect! Nice, nice, nice! Loving it! Oh, 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 oh! Durability check. Oh, hit it a little, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Super fun. Am I like right here? Yes. Just look at how zippy this guy can be, man. Yeah, I'm not a racer, so yes, racers will actually really feel the difference between the old frame and the new frame. But as someone that does freestyling, I find that it flies really different from the previous Air 65 frame. Can you see the amount of thrust this fella have? It's a 65mm whoop. It just flies so damn smooth right now. Yeah, I can confirm with you guys that that was not just a claim from BetaFPV. The changes that they did on the Air 65 frame is just super awesome. So yes guys, that was the flights from the Air 65. As you can see, most of the flight that I've done is about 2 or maybe a little bit more than 2 minutes. As for the older frame that we are using, I do not know why, because it has like a longer flight time, maybe about 2.5 to 3 minutes flight time, but still, I kind of prefer this. I'll sacrifice the flight time a little just to have a little bit more power. So let's move on to the Air 75 right now. Oh, perfect. Ah, the battery. The goggles battery is low. Let's just finish this pack first. Yup! Of course, we will have a trippy. Oh shit! Look at this motor base. It's bent. Yeah. So what happened was there was this low battery warning on the goggles, and I forgot to change the goggles LiPo, and then it shut off completely. I could not see anything and I crashed. And I think it was a hard hit because there were people putting things in their car and they were looking at the direction where this little guy crashed. So yeah, I went down, pick it up, bring it back and saw that bent on the motor, and then we lost a screw there as well. But yeah, nothing is wrong with the frame. So durability, check. But I lost a quad. Told you, this is not a safe place to fly. Okay, here's my final verdict on the new Air 2 frame. I would say that the Air 65 is very surprising. The improvement on it is very, very drastic. As for the Air 75, not that much, but I believe it might also be the old parts that I'm using from the Air 75 is like almost at the end of their life. You can see that the CO3 camera is not that good anymore. You can see that I'm having some issue with the VTX, and the models itself are pretty weak compared to the first time when I bought it. But anyway, since BetaFPV is having their Black Friday sales, I will be purchasing new parts and then I will put it in and we'll test out the Air 75 2 again with the Air 2 canopy. So remember to turn on the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop me a comment if you like this video, and I will see you guys there. Right now, please enjoy the rest of the flight video from the Air 65. Hopefully, I don't kill it here. See ya! Good luck! Mwah. Woohoo! Look at that last minute catch, man. Oh, fuck my face! I banged my steering wheel! Ow! I kissed it before it went out. And it came back and kissed me. Good job. Ow!